Hi there, how are we doing? My name is Tom Dyer and today I'm going to be talking to you about stools. Stools. Yes, but not these kind of stools. These kind of stools. Although you can stool these stools. Huh? Oh! That's a stool of a stool. So today I'm going to be talking to you about stools. So what is a stool? So a stool is when you balance an item or an object either on your body somewhere, maybe even on the bar top, or on another piece of equipment. There's many different variations of a stool, so I'm going to take you through some of them now. You can also do the footstool. Straight on the foot. So there's 3 steps to learning how to do the stool. There's the balance, there's the throw, and there's the catch. The balance. So you put the object in the place where you're going to catch it, and you learn how to balance it. And you can move around with a bottle on your hand or whatever object you're balancing or stooling. Then you need to learn how to throw it, because 80% of how you catch something is how you throw it. And then you learn to catch it. You need to cushion the catch. It's the same as if somebody throws you a water balloon, you catch it very gently. It's the same with the stool. So as the bottle comes down on your hand, you cushion it, you go down with your hand with the bottle on it, and that will cushion the catch so it doesn't hurt your knuckles so much. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any comments, questions or suggestions, just put it in the comments box below. I'll see you next time.